Tony coming to you live from Knee High Farms Homestead on this Valentine's Day, February 14th. First, I want to wish you all and your loved ones a very special and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great day. And I want to give you a little gift from me to you guys, a kiss of winter. So last night we had a freak snowstorm, and I'm about to measure, but if you look right there, minimum 2 inches, minimum, could be 3. But winter has definitely said, we're not done yet. There's Blitzkrieger. Hopefully this will be the last one of the year. We'll see. But anyways, enjoy your day.